You're handling accounting with QuickBooks, but organizing your work with Notion. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new invoice is created in QuickBooks, a corresponding page is automatically added to your Notion finance tracker. Or every time a payment is received in QuickBooks, Notion logs the transaction with full details. Or even, the moment a new customer is added in QuickBooks, a client profile is automatically created in your Notion database. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and Notion, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.